Here we come to the elevator at the Fine Arts Building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This thing is vintage, installed in the 50s or 60s, but modernized in the 80s. It's a nice bell. Let's get our cab view. Get a view of the shaft. JL interlock. Let's get our cab view. Right. Let's go down to B. Alright, let's go to 3G. Lantern on this side does not work. Let's listen to the motor. Here you're on 3G. Bell does not work. Down arrow lights up. Let's go down to. We'll end it at 1G. But 1A is the same floor, so both will open. ADA compliant telephone. Vintage innovation fixtures. Capacity plate, I don't know where that is. Watch this. And here it goes. And that's it.